kita lihat contact tracing. But I'll tell you now, we are in community spread. It's very difficult now. No? Only the people who are very close to him, we have tested. Some of them have turned out to be negative, but it's still going on. So we will know within this week, by the end of this week, whether from here there is any spread or not.
Mana kadang dalam test ako ke compound yung CM. Jadi by way ni driver, private driver yung layak mana ke sini.
Oh, katu ke bangiyo RT-PCR positif day driver yang ka.
Di mana kira ada random test.
Bila ada random test dia siap panglo.
Random ba.
Padiyo ada. All government officials and honorable ministers is 7 days. We'll decide whether we'll do with RT-PCR or CBNAT because both are very sensitive. And Deputy CM, the test we're running right now, and we will inform you accordingly.